There comes a speeding Audi. Look out. And yeah, you barely made it. We ran the red light. Look at this. Look at this genius over here racing on the wrong side of the road. No helmet. Stupid kids. They'll never learn. More brilliant people.
Just a minute, alright? We're having some technical difficulties with the generator, so as soon as it's out, I'll let you place uploaded.
Oh, another red light. Wonderful. I get to wait here for another half hour now. Look at this nightmare. Look at that. All that going on over there. Yep. Pin number?
Yes, this is 4.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Oh, look. Some idiot left us here. Idiots. It amazes me how lazy people are. They don't take the energy to do that, but they take energy to... They're texting and taking selfies. This is this younger generation. It's not doing the world any good at all. Too lazy to park? That's okay. Too lazy to park, but not too lazy to text. I was waiting for Lee H. Those two good. Yeah. That's okay. I'm used to it. All right. Thank you. Have a good one. You too. There you go. There's one. And there's two.
Thank you.
Okay. Have a good day. Thank you. Take care. He looked like George Carlin when he was older. It's like, it seems like the world is set up, this whole system, whatever you want to call it, this nightmare of life is set up to just screw you over. It just seems to me. The older you get, the more you realize it's just a big freaking scam. You know, all these people who say life is a gift, they're full of shit. Life is not a gift. What kind of delusional planet are you living on? Life is a gift. Man, please. For some people, if you're rich, you get you were born with a silver spoon in your mouth, and you get, mommy and daddy buy you a BMW for your 16th birthday. Yeah, I guess life is a gift, because you're born into it. But the rest of us, we have to work our butts off. For what reason? So you can just die, and people are standing in the bike lane. How wonderful. Oh, it's the same house. Oh man, for the first time, my brakes are nice and quiet. For the most part. I don't mind a little bit of squeaking, but before it was terrible. It was like squealing like a bus or a train when it stops, That blood-curdling squealing sound, Well, squeaking, I don't mind. Like that. It's not a big deal. Get this, Pacer. 76. Wow. Oh, Jesus. Great driving. I Don't you love when people, they have everywhere to stand, but they stand in the middle of the sidewalk? Make the whole sidewalk to stand on, just block the whole place. Tourists. The same people who stand in the middle of the Brooklyn Bridge taking photos when you're trying to pass, you know? That's nice.
We may hit another place for coffee.
Vito, you get a drink for 99 cents if you get a crate.
One mini pepper light raspberry and one mini banana chocolate.
That's it right there. That one, Ian. Yeah. That's it, thank you. Here we go.
What's up, boss?
Whatever the name is, Alan. That's it, thank you. Got it. Have a good one. Stare at you too. There you go. Have a good night. Thank you. Oh, great, this big monstrosity. Wonderful. God, that felt close. Jackass. Oh, he's racing to get to a red light. Look at that. I want to make sure I get his plate. King Mary Robert 8321. Hi, got your plate. You almost ran me over. Stop. Stop. Oh, great, they threw me offline. Well, at least I know I'm not the only one getting screwed over. Thousands of other delivery drivers are getting screwed over too. We're all getting screwed over. Good night.